Hello everyone, now I'm at the 2026 SNAC exhibition. Welcome our booth. Let me introduce for our latest solar module technology. This is our latest upgrade technology, the quarter cells solar module. For same size and design of the solar module, the quarter cells can increase performance by at least 1% compared with the standard half cell module. That means higher energy yield and better project returns without changing the original installation area or module layout. It features 4 core strengths: high power generation, excellent high temperature performance, better anti-shading and anti-hotspot capability. Even under complex environments, such as high temperature, petrol shading, or long operating hours, the module can still maintain stable and efficient power outputs. The most importantly, the quarter cells are 100% development and manufactured by our LESSO Solar cells manufacturer. Our solar cells manufacturing base covers approximately 120,000 square meters with multiple fully automated production lines with 6 gigawatts annual N-type solar cell capacity. LESSO Solar delivers strong and reliable manufacturing capability. From solar cells to modules, we achieve full process quality control. For more information about the quarter solar cells and the latest solar module technology, feel free to contact us at LESSO Solar.